In this video we are going to cover the 5 best Android operating systems for PC. When searching online for the best Android operating systems, you'll find numerous articles listing the top 10, 12 or 7. However, there are only 5 Android operating systems based on the Android x86 project with Play Store. We'll explore these 5 options excluding operating systems like Chrome OS or FidoS, which are a different category altogether. Emulators like Glue, Stax or Nox Player should also not be included in the same category. Remix OS is a desktop operating system based on the Android x86 project, designed by JYT Technology, a company founded by 3 ex-Google employees. Although the OS is no longer supported, you can still download it from various websites. Remix OS is ideal for older devices that cannot run newer operating systems like Bliss OS or Prime OS. Phoenix OS is the second on our list. Although it's an older version, it's still easy to use, especially for those familiar with Android mobile devices. The interface is similar to Android Mobile, making it easy to navigate. Phoenix OS can be installed on a hard drive or run as a live operating system from a USB flash drive. Android x86 is the source of inspiration for all these operating systems. It's an open source project that aims to port the Android OS to devices running on Intel and AMD x86 processors. Using Android x86 on your desktop or laptop computer allows you to use Android apps on a larger screen and provides a more secure environment for using Android apps. Bliss OS is an open-source OS based on Android that incorporates many optimizations, features, and expanded device support. It's available for most Chromebooks, Windows, Linux PCs, or tablets released in the last 4 years. Bliss OS keeps getting updates, with a current stable version based on Android 9, and beta and alpha versions available for Android 11 and 12, respectively. Prime OS is aimed towards mobile gamers, promoting itself as the best gaming Android operating system for PC. It's based on Android x86 and offers features specifically tailored for gamers, including game streaming, gamepad support, and a built-in game center with its own key mapping functionality. This concludes our top 5 Android operating systems for PC or laptop. We hope this article has helped you decide which operating system suits your needs.